Hello guys, welcome back to Zig the Programming Guy channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to fix Google Chrome slow download speed in Android. So maybe you have been trying to download some films or any documents or file on your Chrome, but it keeps failing. It keeps like going slow and not fast enough. This is a solution for you. So first thing you have to do is open up your Chrome browser and you're going to search for Chrome just like this as you can see on my screen. Search for image and add flags. Then once you click on that, it's going to bring you to this page. So once you're in this page where you see experiment warning, you click on search right there and search for parallel right there, and you're going to see parallel downloading. So you click on this place, you say defaults, you click on enable, and once you click on enable, you can see it below your screen that your changes will take effect the next time that you relaunch Chrome. So you click on the relaunch and the Chrome will be relaunched. After it has been relaunched, then you have to close up this tab right here, open up another one. Then you click on these three dots and click on your settings. So once you click on your settings, you scroll down till you see privacy and settings. Scroll down so you see use secure DNS. Click on that and you click on it. Click on another, choose another provider. You click on that so that you can bring that others. So the first thing you're going to use is you can use the public DNS or use the Cloudflare. So anyone that goes for you, then you can just use it. That's actually how to fix Google slow download speed. Right. If you find this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up and really subscribe to get more tips like this. Thanks for watching guys. That's my next video. Bye.